What up, everybody? This is day 25 on the path to $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day. So I basically just started going straight to just making stickers, and I will get into why I created these bumper stickers. But yeah, so this is what I'm starting with. I'm using Canva right now, and I'm gonna do actually a tutorial on Canva soon. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. All right, so I was realizing for decals and magnets and all that, that student driver bumper stickers are killing it, and which I knew already. And I've made a few, but this morning I'm just making a few designs, so I'll show you the one I just made. I think it's pretty funny. So it's a possum. It says warning, new driver. I think these are like the perfect funny version. So it's like creating something that's serious, right? So people are aware of their surroundings, of knowing there's a new driver on the road, but adding a touch of comedy to it. So we'll see how these do. I'm gonna make a listing for this in a little bit, so we'll do time lapses of design and all that good stuff. All right, so these are the new mock-ups for the decal. There's this one, if I can move my mouse. We got this one here, and then there's the PNGs of both of those. So I'm putting these on my TikTok shop, and I'll put them on my Amazon account, so if you guys do wanna purchase this, they're pretty ridiculous, but if you wanna purchase them, I'll have them in the link below. So you can check them out there, because I'm about to make the listing right now, which you'll see. So yeah, I should probably make more of these. They're pretty funny. And once I get my TikTok account hopefully up and running again, these can sell better. My TikTok shop is up, but I can only sell one a day. And they're also suppressing my account. So I would either need someone like you guys to come and purchase it directly because you guys know of it, or I have to just wait until this all gets figured out. I'm still waiting on an email. So, all right, let's get back to it and let's upload these designs. So while I was uploading these designs, I was watching a YouTube video on how to regain traffic onto listings that were either inactive or got really high in the BSR rank. And so I was kind of actually watching this to help figure out how to get my mug boats back to #1 BSR. I wanted to go over a software that I use a lot called Jungle Scout, but I specifically want to go over the listing builder option in Jungle Scout, and one of the reasons why I always stay subscribed to this software. I have already created my listing for those 2 bumper stickers, but I can actually create a very good Amazon listing without using Upwork or Fiverr, people that are really good at SEO. I can use Jungle Scout's software just straight from the system, and on top of all the other options that they have, and I can create a really good listing with AI. Let me just show you a quick tutorial on why I love it, and also I will have a link down below if you guys are interested. It is an affiliate link. It would give me commission, but if you do enjoy what I show you, it would be great if you use it. Let me show you exactly what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna make my listing better. We're gonna import existing listings, and so I'm gonna type in possum, and it may not even be in yet. Let's see. Okay, so it is not in the system yet. I just had posted this, so it takes time for it, maybe like an hour or 2 for it to create. But just for an example, because I'm gonna actually import this into my listing, let's just create a whole new listing, but I'm just gonna import it to the listings that I created. So let's start with the possum. Okay, let's start with that possum decal that I created. So we're gonna hit create new listing, and we're gonna draft a listing here. And so as you can see, I already created keyword lists. So I have possum sticker, duck sticker, Park City, all this stuff, right? So I have created keyword groups for specific stickers that I made listings for. I'm gonna show you the keyword scout in a second where I got all these keywords, but I can at least start creating the listing with just the possum keyword group that I've created. It's got 20 keywords. And so we're gonna actually just use this right now, get started with it. So we're gonna click possum sticker. We're gonna hit next step. So I'm basically gathering all these keywords. Okay, so it's gonna start from the search volume from high to low. And these are the highest volume keywords. These are the medium, and these are the lowest. What I can start with here is type in, and like I said, I'm gonna redo the listing. So we'll do funny bumper sticker decal. You know, maybe we'll put 8-inch. We can add that in later. Now that I have all these here, it'll tell me, like, I could add funny stickers for adults after this, and watch what happens to the left screen here. It'll tell me that I've already added it. So you're gonna want to, you know, if you can, add as many keywords as possible. And I can show you an example later on, but where I'm at, I've only generated 21,000 search volume keywords. it can go up to 67,000 with just the keywords that I added to this list. Now, what I should do is not only have a possum keyword list, which I have, I should have specifically a student driver keyword list and also a bumper list, a bumper sticker keyword list. Once I have all those in, you're gonna see a whole bunch of keywords. They're all gonna be everywhere, but you can take the highest volume keywords and put those in, and then maybe add a couple medium ones. So you also get some more niche, you know, like you can see raccoon stickers. Like it's not a possum, but it's also kind of tied in with animals. So I'm just showing you an example here, but this is not where it ends. So with this, sorry guys, I'm gonna close this door. All right, so with that being said, I showed you the keywords. So with this product title, it's not great, right? But we have the opportunity to use AI to create a product title. So I'm gonna hit AI Assist, and we get 50 of these a month. I've used 18 of them, but it's not perfect. And we can always replace the content and add new ones, but it says set of offensive and hilarious adult, funny possum, raccoon, trash stickers, toolboxes. Now, let's just say I like this listing, and I can also remove some of the stuff. So let's say I like this listing. It's going to now mark off all those keywords that I have added to this left side of the screen over here. So I'm gonna just hit replace content. Okay, and you can see over here, morale stickers, trash stickers. It's using other keywords. So, and it'll show you right here. It's using the medium volume keywords here. But I could also add, you know, let's remove set of, because I'm not using a set. And then hard hat stickers or possum gifts. So, you know, let's not use blue collar here. And I also added some keywords in with those possum stickers. I made it specifically for another listing one time. So what you're seeing is merged keywords in one group, which I should have kept them separately. There's blue collar and possum in this one keyword group. So sorry, it's kind of confusing, but let's get back to this. So I can add in right here, possum gifts. Now it took the high keyword volume right here and I put it in the title, which is super important. But you can keep going. You can keep AI assisting all these features. So I didn't have features. I didn't add features when I created my first listing because I was going to do it here. So get AI assist, a whole feature. I don't have to do any of the work, right? But like I said, they're showing blue collar stuff here. Toolbox stickers. I'm just showing you an example. I didn't just create this keyword list. If I was going to create it specifically for that sticker, I would have done a completely separate listing, but we can do that right now. You can see that you can add in AI will add in your features, your product title, your description, and your backend search terms. And you can import that directly to your product listing. So that's super exciting. So let me show you how to get the keywords. So you go over here to keywords, go to Keyword Scout, and I can type in either an ASIN, like a competitor's product, or I can use, like I said, possum sticker or student driver sticker. So I'm going to type this in. It's going to go search through all of Amazon's keywords, and it's going to come back with this. So I can actually filter down the amount of keyword count I have, the product category it's in. Okay, we got product count, ease of rank. So we want it, you know, moderate, easy, somewhat difficult. You want to mix between all of them, which is really cool. Why Keyword Scout will give you all these options you can filter through. So, and it also gives you the keyword search volume of this month. So our last 30 days. So you can see here, student driver sticker. The trend's down 11%. 13,000 is the search volume in automotive. And so I can take, you know, I'm going to probably take this still, even though it's difficult or somewhat difficult. I can start adding these into a group that I can use for that listing that I created. And so I can take all these and then I can go add keywords to list. I can create a new list. I can put possum sticker, bumper sticker, right? Because like I told you, I had merged a couple listings into one, which you can still do. So possum bumper sticker, right? So I'm going to create that list and then I can go, so there's student driver sticker, and then I can do possum sticker. Then I can go here and add my keywords for possum stickers, possum gifts, and then I can add these guys right into the possum bumper sticker keyword collection. Now, if I go back to listing builder, what I can do, so here's my content editor. I can go back to select keywords and go add in my possum bumper sticker option. Now I'm gonna undo this possum sticker one that I had prior, and I'll show you the date so you know which one's the newest, right? So this is 4/25. And then we're gonna save, or let's go back to here, now that it's loading the new keywords into place. And now you can see here the keyword bank that I just created with you guys. So I have the highest, the medium, the lowest, And then I can just start adding this back in. I can start adding. So you can always keep the old keyword bank or add more, and you can create a really high search volume, good SEO, Amazon. So I just wanted to show you this. This is what I was gonna do with the bumper stickers. Unfortunately, they're not downloaded yet. I'm just showing you an example. But if you like videos like this, I can start creating videos for more Jungle Scout products. I really love Jungle Scout, and I wouldn't just be saying this. Like I use it. Like I rarely make any sales off of commissions, off affiliate marketing. I use this all the time. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It does help me out, and you get a deal if you sign up with my affiliate marketing link. So let's get back to the video, but I just want to show you this little tips and tricks of Jungle Scout and how it can help you make sales on Amazon. So yeah, I just basically started cleaning up my room. I really needed to start cleaning things up. My head space was getting a little crazy, so this is the best idea. I had to get a few sticker orders out, so that is what I am doing here. I'm laminating and then I'm putting it through the cutter machine. I also had to get out these decals. You'll like these, they're pretty cool. All right, so what you're seeing here is I finally got my cellophane packages in, so then I can actually start fulfilling or bringing in mug boats into the Amazon warehouse. So that is, I'm doing 2 different SKUs of the mug boats, the OG version and then the vintage version. So at this point, I'm wrapping up the day. I got these all fulfilled into Amazon. I dropped them off at the UPS. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much we made. All right, so starting off with eBay, we made $21.19, so better than yesterday. All right, on Amazon, we made $438, which was a little bit more than yesterday as well. All right, so total revenue yesterday was $488. All right, so total revenue this month, we're at $19,324 on the 25th. So we have 5 more days in the month. We need to hit $30,000 by the end of the month. But if we don't hit it, it's okay. But it seems like we're getting stuck around the $400 to $500 a day mark right now until my mug boats come back up or something else kicks off. So if you guys loved the video, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. I make a video every single day, so tomorrow will be day 26. So I hope to see you there. Maybe something big happens tomorrow. We have no idea, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.